Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking prerequisites. Confirm at least 1 GB free storage and sign into the Google account or iCloud you will use. Once done, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, right arrow chat backup and choose your account. Make sure Wi-Fi is active to avoid mobile charges. Start a manual backup now to capture current messages and media. This creates the baseline restore point. If prompted, include videos. They take longer, so use a charger to keep the process stable. Once the initial backup finishes, customize settings so future restores are reliable. You should set a backup frequency, daily recommended, and choose whether to include videos. Include them only if you have ample storage. Make sure the network option matches your data plan, for example Wi-Fi only to avoid charges. Also verify the backup account and confirm the last backup timestamp so you know what will restore. These choices control both speed and cost, so review them now to avoid surprises later. To complete the cycle, install or reinstall WhatsApp and verify your phone number. The app will detect available backups and prompt you to restore. Tap Restore, then wait. Large backups can take many minutes. Once done, confirm chats and media are present. If things go wrong, first check storage space and that you're signed into the same Google or iCloud account. Then reauthorize WhatsApp backup permissions. If a restore still fails, retry after rebooting the device and reconnecting to a stable Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.